In this video we're reviewing ViaBTC, one of the top cryptocurrency mining pools, to see if it's still profitable in 2025. ViaBTC stands out with a high hash rate and global reach, ranking among the top 3 Bitcoin mining pools. It supports over 20 proof-of-work coins including Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin and Kaspa, giving miners diverse options to maximize earnings. The platform also offers advanced financial tools, like crypto-backed loans, helping miners manage operational costs such as electricity. Plus, user-friendly tools like a mining calculator, profit rankings, and a transaction accelerator make it easier to optimize mining operations. However, there are considerations. ViaBTC is best suited for experienced miners, as beginners may find its features complex. Mining profitability depends on factors like electricity costs, hardware efficiency, and market conditions, so careful planning is essential. Overall, ViaBTC remains a reliable and feature-rich mining pool in 2025 for those with the expertise and resources to mine efficiently. Subscribe for more honest crypto and mining platform reviews and tips to maximize your earnings.